What are you doing?
I'm trying to grow a money tree.
Geek, the finance geek.
Investing is a great way to build wealth. But how does it work? There's a lot to cover here, so we'll start with the basics. So what is investing really? Is it business? Is it money? It can actually be all of the above. Investing is about putting some value, usually money, into something with the hope that it will bring you more value, usually money.
Oh, hello there. Hey, I'm the editor for Centennial Financial Group LLC, or Geek, the finance geek. You're probably wondering why you're here. Well, that's because after several battles with compliance, unfortunately, we're not actually able to use the footage that we wanted to use for this video. So, instead, you're going to get a voiceover of me explaining the concept with stock video that has absolutely nothing to do with the concept at all. So, enjoy.
You need to make sure you choose the right plant, soil, and spot. If you pick the right combination, like the right investments, then it can grow. And if you pick the wrong combination, well, then it probably won't grow as much or could even die.
Stupid thing, why won't you grow? So let's talk about some types of investments. First, we're going to talk about stocks. So stocks are proof of ownership of a portion of a business. Think of stocks like another kind of seed. Seeds are a piece of another plant. If the plant is a good one, then your seed will grow faster, just like stocks. If you pick a good company, then the stocks will help your investments grow. Now, a second type of investment are bonds. No, not that kind of bond. The bonds I'm talking about are proof of a loan for an investment to a borrower. It is a promise made from the borrower to pay the money back to the investor with interest. It's kind of like watering a plant. If you choose the right place and time, you'll see a consistent growth in the plant. It's like bonds. You lend to the right borrower, then you make money in a nice, consistent way. If you think this lettuce looks delicious, try Eliza's Organics in Johnstown. They'll help you out. And if you want help with your investments, let us help you. Oh. Let us help you. Let us help you. Let us help you. You get it? It's like Reddit.
America, God shed His grace. Oh my, you guys are here again. Which means one thing.
Cash equivalents, or money markets, are investments, securities that are meant for short-term investing. They have a high credit quality and are highly liquid. They are one of the three main asset classes in financial investing, along with stocks and bonds. Back to you, Big Heath.
As any exceptional gardener would know, it's not about planting just one seed and expecting it to grow into a garden, but having the best combination of many types of plants in an ideal environment and make it thrive and bear fruit. Or vegetables. You want the right variety of investments in order to have a beautiful life full of trees, shrubs, and flowers.
That's our show. Thanks for watching. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a garden to attend to.
That's our show. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following. And if you think we can assist you in any of your financial endeavors, please feel free to contact us. Our information is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.